So a final thing that I'll go through is how you can add your own domains. And so AWS Amplify makes this pretty simple. Probably the easiest thing is that you can register your domain with Route 53. And so I've already registered a domain that's there. And so I can now just select it from the drop-down list and I can say configure domain. And so we can see that what it's already done is it assumes that we want to use our master branch for both the Apex domain, so that's the domain without the www in front of it. And also the www, both of these will pull from master. And so then all we have to do is we can add a new record that says that we want to map staging dot our domain name to staging. As a final step, we will automatically redirect the Apex domain to the www just for simplicity. So then it's like no matter how the people are going to our main site, we're getting redirected to just the www.domain.com. What's also pretty cool is since we have CloudFront sitting in front of these S3 buckets, that will also handle the SSL certificates for us so that we can ensure that our web pages will have the HTTPS instead of HTTP. And so this is better for SEO, security. SSL is definitely the way to go, and it's pretty awesome that Amplify takes care of this for you. So now we can just click create, and we can just wait 20 minutes or so, and it will create our domains for us. Now we can just make sure that all of our domains work. So this is the Apex domain with no www. We can see that that loads fine. This is the www, and that works great. And this is the staging, and you can see the staging has our updated changes. And so the final check that we can do is we can make sure that the HTTP versions will redirect to the HTTPS versions. So now I'm going through and removing the S on all of these and pressing enter and making sure that they redirect to the HTTPS version. And it seems like they do. So this is awesome. So now you know how you can take a Gatsby site, create staging and master branches, and sync those with AWS Amplify to have this automated deployment pipeline so that you have a nice organized way to be able to systematically test your code. And so if you use this organization scheme with feature branches and the squashing that I've talked about in a previous blog post, you'll just have this like very organized code base that will be easy to be able to systematically add changes and improve over time.